Hi viewers, this is another video of the Osclass tutorial. Last time we were here about the widgets, so we discussed about the widgets that uh, we can put our link or messages or advertisement in the footer and the header of the website. The header logo. The header logo is very important, and it is included in every theme. As I have this logo, so you can remove, but the pattern of this page is different in every theme. But in my theme, the pattern of this page is like this. You have to remove this one, add to browse another one, and then you have to save it. It will be replaced here in this area. Okay, so this was the header. So this was the header logo, and this is the theme setting. Okay, the theme setting includes your email address, which will appear here. As you can see, this is but let me tell you one thing, that every setting of the theme is different. So every theme has their own settings. So what theme I'm using have this kind of settings. The contact number, which would be your telephone number or your email address, so people can contact you. This is the website name, and this is the date format. This you want to show your ad in a gallery view or in a list view. And the footer link, I have disabled it. This is the default logo. If your logo is not available, so the default logo will be shown on here. This is the drag and drop button uploader, if you want to enable or disable it. So these are the some settings, but as I will not discuss this one, because every theme has their own setting, and this one is a fair theme, so it has their own kind of settings. These are the links. These are the links code that are shown here, here, and here, and also at the footer, here at the footer. So these are the codes area, codes banner settings, which is included in every themes. Okay, and these are some kind of images. Let me show you. These are these images, and these images. Okay, electronic, this image, this image, this image. So that area is for that images to upload. It is for the categories and for the subcategories. Okay, next thing is plugins. Plugin is a very important thing in your website. Lots of Osclass free plugins are available in the market. Osclass.org, so you can install it. This is the extra feeds. This is the page Facebook page plugins, which will show Facebook link in your website. This is the Google Realistic. This is the Google site image sitemap. This is the Google Maps. Google Map, let me show you what is the Google Map means. The Google Map means that if someone have described their address, this is the Google Map. If it is enabled, if it is installed, this will be shown here along with the listing. So there are a lot of plugins that you can install here and you can activate here, but we will not discuss the plugins in detail here, because this is some kind of another discussion which will go lengthy. So from here you can manage your plugins, and this is about the statistics, that how many listing you have. For example, let me show you. Number of new listing, that how many listing new you have, total number of listing views. So if in some days it is viewed in a list way, so it will go little above, somewhere it will go up and down, somewhere it will go like this, and then this. Okay, number of new alerts, number of new subscribers, these are this will all these activity will be mentioned here. This is the statistics. Okay, so these were about the listings. This is about the report, total number of report. I have none. So okay, this is this is about the users. These are the new users. It will show you and the user from which country. So from unknown, from Australia, from Austria, from Brazil, from Canada. It will show you that your users have been created from that area. This is per country, this is per region. So Dubai, Ajman, Alain, Dubai, this is my UAE based classified site. Okay, and this is about the comment. If someone have posted a comment, so it will show here as a graph, and here will be latest comments, but as my comments are off, so I am not getting it. Okay, the rest of the thing we will show you in our next video. Take care. Thank you.